Chapter 12. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! Out of the womb, he rocked a moosed-up mohawk, looking like a dreamy crossbreed of Vince Neil and Bret Michaels in the making, who didn't require makeup to pull off the cock, rock, whaler look. Most babies are born bald, with indentations in their heads, looking like they were dropped one too many times because Nurse Jackie had the shakes. My breech flipper baby was born a day before my mother's birthday. Finally, my wife had living proof God wasn't picking on her anymore. Chosen Curls mounted his high chair in 13 months flat, with rock-solid drive, like L. the Body McPherson double dared him to do it. Everything about Chosen Curls screams Nature Boy, woo! Like him aggressively trying to poke Sleeping Beauty's eyes open on his sister's Amazon Kindle with his pubescent life shooter in the making. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! He stops traffic and Stop and Shop, even after their prime rib sample station opens. I almost missed the birth of Chosen Curls because I had to wait 5 hours for my in-laws to arrive. My younger brother was supposed to babysit my two other celestial beams of light once my wife went into labor. After he arrived at our home sweet home, he thought it was a bright idea to get stoned off the sticky, icky stuff during his first stint babysitting my children. I called an audible and recruited my in-laws to drive down from Delaware to look after the kids instead. My younger brother's golden opportunity to show that he really cared about helping me out in my time of need went up in a puff of smoke. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! He's been blessed with the most natural smile of all time, as opposed to Leo's strained smile from grinding his teeth too much because of doing too much subpar blow after only hearing Last Call from the bathroom stall. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! He waddles with excitable joy across the room like Charlie Chaplin Jr. after taking a dump in his pants without ever losing his non-predatory charm along the way. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! He throws a powerful, straightforward jab at 20 months old. I'm not calling him the second coming of Adonis Creed, but his big brother will be crying no mas in no time. No offense, son, but he'll break you. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! At 20 months old, he's already throwing 5-pound free weights across the room like he was flicking pistachio shells at a passed-out Andy Dick in the Viper Room 3 hours before New Year's Eve. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! When he claps it up to Moth into Flame by Metallica in the car, he emanates rip-roaring, feel-good joy. Rockstar Reddy's emotive clapping antics could go viral. Chosen Curls was bound to woo! When we're in coffee shops and all the women ask to hold him. I tell him later, you do realize your star power stems from Dada's tree trunk, right? Chosen Curls was bound to woo! Big Sis and Big Bro were tucked in. I ask Rockstar Reddy, do you want to hear Dada's new podcast in bed? Yeah! He yells back with excitable glee. My wife won't even bookmark my blog.